What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today on the Civic we are going to be installing a Skunk 2 short throw shifter. It's the dual bend. It's pretty cool how it comes with the owner's manual. This is what we're going to be installing today. So I already had the car jacked up and everything, so don't have to worry about that right now. I soaked some of the bolts in PB Blaster, so hopefully they don't break, and if they do, I'll just buy new ones. It looks like it's pretty corroded, so let's see if I luck out. Alright, so now we're under the car. We're basically going to be taking this bolt out and two bolts right here to release this rod, so then we could get the shifter out, and then we could go up front and get that out. Alright, so I got the rod out. As you can tell, these bolts I'm gonna have to see if I can get from the top, because they looked a little stripped. So let's go up top and let's see what's going on with them. Alright, now that we're up on top, what we're going to do is we're going to take the shift knob off. And there's going to be 1, 2, 3, total of 6 screws. So let's get that off. Alright, so now that we got the 3 screws out, what we're going to do, just going to lift that up. And then this little guy should come out. Let me put the camera down. Alright, so what we're gonna have to do is, there's a rubber boot here, and then you really can't see, but there's, I don't know how we're gonna do this, but we might have to put some vice grips on it and get it off, so be right back. Alright, so now we finally got the shifter out and everything. What we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to take this boot out, and we're gonna have to transfer it to this. So let me do this and I'll get back with you guys. Alright, so now we got it all together. This is what it should look like, so let's put it back in the car. Alright, so I got the shifter in. I'm going to show you how I did it. There's 2 bushings that go in between the rod where it meets up. I'll show you, just give me a sec. Ugh. Alright, so as you can see, there's 2 rods that come with the shifter kit. You want to put those in between, and then the Allen, and then the washer, and then on the other side there's like a spacer and a lock nut, and you basically just put it on like that, bolt everything back up, and hold on. Alright, so now it feels a lot tighter. So now I'm gonna put everything back together, and I'm gonna enjoy my short throw shifter that I got from Skunk 2. I definitely would recommend it. It's a great product. I used it in my old DA that I had, and I want to say my EG coupe that I had. I love their products, their quality is amazing. For right now, I'm just going to use the stock shifter just because that's all I have. So I'll show you what it looks like after it's all bundled up. Right, so I got everything in, everything's all back together and everything, and this is what it looks like. As you can tell, it's a lot shorter, and yeah, see, you can tell right there from the stock, it's about like up to here, but honestly it feels a lot better. So I'm really digging it. I will probably get a new shift now just because it does look weird now, but I love how it feels and everything, and it definitely fixed all my slop. As you can tell, it doesn't have any more. It's got a little, but not too much. But yeah, I love it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.